You guys are not ready for this. Imagine this is me minding my own business, and I thought I should overtake this truck. Meanwhile, a car in the front stopped immediately. The car after that stopped immediately. And me? Well, I am okay. Now imagine my face in place of my helmet and my hands in place of my gloves. And my bike? Yeah, it suffered damage. Till now, the total repair estimate is around 54,000 rupees. It is gonna take around 2 months for it to be repaired. But what did I learn? Not all the drivers are aware. Not all the drivers are smart. And there are stupid people on road. I was actually out vlogging that day.
Is there a place we can go? There is, straight up. It's safe. We can go on a motorcycle. Thank you so much.
I'm gonna post that video. It was fun. It's a place that I visited. The place was very cool.
If I fall here, there is nobody who can come save me.
So, video coming up. By the way, you guys loved my bar and mirrors, right? Yeah, it's gone. The fly screen is gone, and all those things which I did from my own hands is gone. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do that again, rebuild again. It is just a materialistic damage. What should you learn from my experience? Always wear gear. Always wear helmet, gloves, and no shorts, no chappal, and ride aware. There are some instances where you cannot do anything, and that's alright. What is meant to happen will happen. But learn from my mistake and you improve your riding experience. That's all that I had for you guys today. See you in the next one.